Hello, Kane Cougars. I'm your student meteorologist, Anthony Dalbo, here with your KeanCast for the week of October 4th. Hasn't it been such a beautiful week out there? Boy, it is just beautiful with summer-like temperatures, near 80 degrees. Oh, can't beat that. But what to expect for the rest of this week? More of the same. With this hot, humid air pressure system located off the coast, with bringing us above normal temperatures, possibly near record highs towards your Columbus Day. But the leaves don't lie. We need to remember that we are still in fall. It isn't summer, contrary to what many people might want it to be. But as you look at our almanac for this week, you'll see our average is around 68 degrees with a low of 52. But it's not too out of the ordinary to reach 93 degrees as it did in 1941 or 32 degrees as it did in 1935. But don't forget about 2005 when we had Tropical Storm Tammy run up the coastline and dump 4.08 inches of rain on us back on October 8th. As we look at our future cast here, you'll see this high pressure system located over the Rocky Mountains with this tropical moisture located off the coast and this stationary front. And as we set this map in motion, you'll notice that we have this high pressure system located over here that's going to push this other moisture out and away from our area. But in the meantime, as it gets closer to the coast, it's going to bring this southerly flow back up the coastline into our area, bringing us warm, humid, and even record high temperatures. So this summer-like trend will be continuing at least through Monday, your Columbus Day. But as we go on to our afternoon highs, you'll notice out here in the Rocky Mountains, you have 50-degree highs, 60 degrees along the western coast, with 70s, 80s, and even 90s back in Texas. As you look along our east coast, you'll see 80s along the southern coast, along with 70 degrees in your New England area. As we take a look at our morning lows, you'll see 30 degrees over the Rocky Mountains and 40 degrees over Montana. They're getting snow right now, or this week. That's how cold it is up there. So don't forget, summer's almost done. It should be done. Winter's still approaching. If you look over here in the northeast coast, you'll see 50 degrees as a low, so it does get chilly at night even though it's warm during the day. So look at our fall foliage map, and we set this map in motion. You'll see this is a map depicting most of our peak times for when the leaves should be changing and falling to the ground. Along the upstate New York area, you have late September, early October, but for us it should be right around now. But with this warm temperature building over our region, it's really delaying this process, so don't expect to see any leaves falling anytime soon. So look at our weather classroom. We're going to start this for the first time this week, so you should be feeling very proud of yourself right now for this. We're going to start our first term with Virga. That's right. Virga is streaks of precipitation falling from clouds but evaporating before reaching the ground. So if you're ever out walking through campus, you see a storm out in the horizon, but there's a streaky cloudiness, very blurry south of it, that's Virga. That's precipitation. It is raining, but it might quite not be reaching the ground as you look. But it will be picked up on radar, so there might be a little confusion there. But if you ever use this term Virga with somebody, I guarantee they will be quite impressed. Now, if you'd like to contact us at any time, be sure to send us an email at keancast@kean.edu or visit us on the 3rd floor of the Science Building. We'll be there to take any comments you might have, or even drop by and give us a weather photo that we might want to post up for our KeanCast show. As you look at our 7-day forecast for this week, we start out quite cool at 77 degrees compared to what the weekend will be, where it's 85 degrees by Sunday, which could be a record in most areas. But 81 degrees along Monday, with 67 degrees as a low, and Tuesday, as that storm front approaches from the north, the clouds begin to build and drop our temperatures down to 82 degrees, and Wednesday, as the rain falls in the morning, back down to around normal temperatures, 72 degrees, closing out Thursday with normal temperatures of around 70 degrees. Well, I'm your student meteorologist, Anthony Dalbo, here for our KeanCast department, wishing you an excellent day.